So we're going to do a tour of 8715 here on the Utopia of the Seas. And here we go. All right, as you can see, deck 8 toward the aft. You can see some of the aqua show from the balcony here. You'll see we're about the 6th room up from the aft. And the back ones are suites. Regular light switches. They've got to where now they leave the key in the slot so the lights will stay on. Alrighty, let's start out with the bathroom. Love the glass. We just got off the enchantment. Still has the old shower curtains. Definitely not into that. Then you have storage. Pretty good storage in here. Hangers, not really a lot of shelves. You got your full sofa, and it's a pretty long one. It does make into a bed, and then you have another closet that does have quite a few shelves. And that's with your safe, some drawers at the bottom. The other one's identical. You got your desk. You have 3 110s, 2 European, 1 USB, and 1 USB-C. Over here by the counter, you have drawers naturally, and these are all identical. Your hair dryer that comes in all your rooms, but they don't connect theirs. Then you got your fridge, your mini fridge. Big screen TV, looks like about a 55-inch. And this is set up for our friends. So they've got their king-size bed basically turned into 2 full-size. And then this is the really cool part out here on the balcony. This is a boardwalk balcony. And what's good about this view, unlike we were up there, you kind of had to, if you were sitting outside, you had to bend over to look and see all this, but we're down here low enough on deck 8 that you can pretty much see everything from here. As I told you, you can see the aqua show, but it's kind of blocked up with a lot of different stuff here on the Utopia of the Seas. All right, overall view. And there's your overall. Now, some people concerned about the noise, but you can still hear a lot of noise because I got the door open. But when you close it and seal it, as you can see, the noise is gone. Pretty quiet. Now they do have 1 10 plugs, by the way, and 1 USB-C by the bed. All right, and that's on each side. Okay, they're on the lamps. All right, thanks for watching. Please hit that subscribe button, and I will bring you our room in a few minutes from this one.